today we're cooking the Satay sweet potato BOSH bowl. First step, we have some sweet potato. And what we're gonna do with this sweet potato and this red onion, which has been quartered, is to roast them. On this tray, we now have our sweet potato, our red onion, and our garlic. And I'm just gonna kind of gently put a little bit of oil over everything. Some salt, some chili flakes, because we're not messing around. We like a little bit of heat, a touch of pepper. These little beauties are gonna go into the oven for 15 minutes. The next thing we have going onto this tray is this lovely broccoli. Pop all of this back into the oven for about another 10 minutes or so. So next up, we're gonna make a satay sauce. First up, our peanut butter. In with the juice of 2 limes, half of a fresh red chili. We've taken the seeds out. So garlic and ginger. And the next thing is some soy sauce. The final thing I'm gonna add into here, because we're looking for a dressing, not so much a sauce, is just some water. And of course the coriander that we talked about before, you can leave this out if you prefer.
Leave it out. There it is.
Okay, and that is what the inside looks like of our satay sauce. So much coriander, it's kind of got a green tinge.
I bet it tastes amazing though.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I can confirm that smells exceptionally good.
The humble avocado. Simply use your knife to slice open the avo, nice and easy. Being careful not to cut your finger in the process. Kind of spreading this avocado out. We are using quinoa here. We have a mix of red and white quinoa. Not only does it taste good, but it's super high in protein. Sweet potato is going on. And then we're gonna add those wonderfully roasted red onions on there as well.
Just take a good old look at that dish now. I mean, that is just, it's brimming with texture and flavor and protein.
Here is a piece of roasted garlic. I love this stuff. So I'm just gonna get some hummus and dollop it right on the side of this dish. A great source of protein. All aspects of this bowl have got some of this wonderful dressing.
That is good.
Oh, goodness me.
That is good.
That is a thing that I want to eat right now, but it's not ready yet because we have the final touch that we want to add to this dish, nuts and seeds.
For texture, yes. For omega-3, yes.
High in protein, high in good fats, and absolutely delicious.
Is it time to taste?
Bit of everything.
And 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was a good one.
Yes, very good. Very, very good.
That sauce is absolutely incredible. That is delicious gym food.